David, preferred, number 5. We opened the first one from the case in some group break. I don't remember what we got, but I know it wasn't a patch of any sort. So here we go. Preferred basketball, number 5. How you open this? Oh yeah. What's up, Cisco? How you doing, man? Oh my God, I'm tired. Hit number 1 is the Lakers. D'Angelo, Anthony Brown, Marcellus Puertas, and Larry Nance. Quad vertical jerseys. And D'Angelo Russell. Oh, nice one. I was just talking about this. D'Angelo Russell silhouette patch auto, number to 25. It's a nice hit right there, David. Could have an awesome patch on it too. A Laker patch. Ah, another patch. 10 of 25. Paul George. Back-to-back pack. And another silhouette. Rondé Hollis Jefferson to 99. That's it, buddy. Nice hit with that D'Angelo. I appreciate it, David. I think you're in playbook and everything else, so I'll get it all on the way then. Thanks, David.